So one of my passions to share with the children academically has to do with our outdoor environment and my personal passion and love for the Chesapeake Bay. I love to talk to the children about the watershed system. They go to the creeks often that are right here on campus, and they go as well to some of the ponds. And we talk about the watershed, but what I have started doing as a tradition is taking them in the fall to a place called the Echo Hill Outdoor School, and it's an opportunity for them to actually get onto the Chesapeake Bay in their fleet of boats and the areas surrounding the Chesapeake Bay and learn about that estuary system and that whole ecosystem. Once they spend a couple of days there, they come back with this newly made connection between the pond and the creek right down the hill from our classroom, and can see that the creeks and the streams in this area all connect to the Chesapeake Bay. And what can we do ecologically to support that system? And what happens from a biological standpoint? How are those things related? It leads us into zoology studies. It leads us into plant life studies, botany. One of the things that's a favorite activity of the children is to collect some pond water samples and come back to our science table and look at with the microscope at the organisms that are living in that water, and that jumps us right from there into cellular biology. And it's just a great jumping off point to get the children really engaged and interested in biological studies.